The EPA on Monday commenced a series of public meetings to discuss impacts from Exxon Mobil's fifth oil project, Uaru. However, the environmental impact assessment, a requirement for these discussions, was reportedly incomplete. Geologist Mangal Joly, in an interview with this newscast, flagged EPA for allowing Exxon's consultant, Exxon International, to submit an incomplete EIA with no signature affixed.
The Environmental Protection Agency failed to uphold a basic level of transparency and accountability in the first place when it allowed Exxon Mobil to lodge EIAs in public locations, and when the agency itself posted a version of the EIA on its website without a signature or any guarantees of ownership by Exxon Mobil.
Against this backdrop, in a letter dated February 18, 2023, she informed EPA Director Kenraj Parshram of this, which according to her went unnoticed. The geologist alleged that it is nonsensical for the EPA to continue to showcase lack of interest, accountability and transparency.
The Environmental Protection Agency is now aiding and abetting the company with this conduct by not rectifying the problem, even so it is saying to the public that you don't matter.
Efforts to contact the EPA head for comment proved futile. Joly opined that both the EPA and Exxon Mobil continues to breach the laws of Guyana, as she questioned how can a document be legitimate without a signature.
There is nothing demonstrating in writing legal ownership of this document, and we have now a long body of evidence that shows a lack of commitment to basic principles of rule of law.
She reminded that the EPA's decision of approving an EIA requires a published notice, giving citizens 28 days to submit the questions and concerns about the assessment. The agency should then analyze these concerns before issuing the terms and scope for the EIA study, she explained. Based on public scrutiny of the EIA, the agency will then determine whether all significant matters were addressed or more work is needed. If it decides to grant a permit, it is required under the Environmental Protection Act, Chapter 2005, to publish the technical reasons for why the permit was granted, she added. Antonio Day reporting for the HEP Nightly News.